Welcome to this moment of stillness, a quiet space created just for you to connect with the deep well of peace that resides within. For the next few minutes, allow yourself to simply be. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes when you feel ready. Let's begin by bringing our awareness to the breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils, cool and fresh, filling your lungs, and the gentle release as you exhale, warm and soft. With each inhalation, imagine you are breathing in a sense of calm and serenity. And with each exhalation, gently release any tension, any worries, any thoughts that no longer serve you. Breathing in peace and breathing out, letting go. Now bring your attention to your body. Start with your feet. Feel them resting on the floor or the surface beneath you. Allow a wave of relaxation to wash over them, releasing any tightness. Let your ankles soften, your calves relax. Let this gentle wave move upward through your knees, your thighs, allowing them to feel heavy and supported. Notice your hips and your lower back. Release any holding here. Let go of any effort. Feel your stomach soften. Allow your chest to be open and relaxed. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Feel the relaxation flow down your arms, through your hands, and out your fingertips. Soften your neck, your jaw, and all the tiny muscles in your face. Let your forehead be smooth and clear. Your entire body is now resting in a state of deep, peaceful relaxation. In this stillness, simply rest. Thoughts may come and go, like clouds drifting across the sky. Acknowledge them without judgment, and gently return your focus to your breath. This is your center, a place of quiet strength and inner peace that is always available to you. Slowly, gently, begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Notice the sounds in the room, the feeling of the air on your skin. When you are ready, you can wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of peace with you as you continue with your day.